Hey, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you why this Troy Bilt push mower electric key start won't work. Stay tuned. The startup procedure for this mower is really easy. What you do is you prime the bulb 3 times. Squeeze the blade control and then turn the key switch. As you can see, this one is completely dead. Since the starter is not even making a sound, it's probably the battery. What you have to do is get under this cover here and locate the 2 Phillips screws. Take those out to get to the battery. Now be careful when you're taking these out because that battery is right behind it and all that weight's going to come crashing down when you take these 2 screws out. So have your hand up here, 1 screw, screws. Okay, it's holding in there, that's good. Go ahead and reach up in there and pull out the battery. And if you could take these off by hand, great. If not, go ahead and grab a pair of needle nose pliers and gently pull back and get the wire connectors off the battery. Okay, as you can see by the date, March 2nd, 2007, so this battery is only 11 years new, so this definitely needs replaced. And this is a Genesis NP 2.3, well, you can read that. And if you type in this number, you can find plenty of these batteries online, and I'll share a link in the description below. Now for demonstration purposes only, I'm going to show you that this does start, and it was the battery that's the issue. However, I'm not going to show you how I hooked it up for liability issues. I just want to show you that it does run. Okay, you prime the bulb 3 times, you engage the red lever, which is the blade, and then you turn the key to the right. And to stop it, you just let go of the blade control. Now installing the new battery, pay special attention to where the little notch cutouts are. Those are where the wires go so that they don't get crimped. Okay, once you've installed that and got the wires correctly aligned, and the side tube piece over here is going to slide right into this notch here, and go ahead and close the cover up, fasten down your screws. Alright, so after doing these steps, you should be ready to mow again. If you haven't subscribed, take a second to do so now. If you know someone that might be interested in this channel, be sure to share this with them. Thanks for watching. See you next time from the Neighborhood Go-To Guy.